In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to connect these two pieces to make the mirror case, and make sure to watch until the end for the pattern to build this. So I'm using this magic stretch cord to connect the pieces together. And first I'm using the teaser to open the hole a little bit so that I can insert the string in there. So I do that for all the holes that I'm going to insert the string, and actually that teaser's size is the same size as the string, so it will be easy to put it in. So first I'll do it on the front piece first and insert one side of the string onto the hole, and then the back of the string is gonna go to the other hole. So from here, I'm gonna insert one side onto the back pieces. It should be very easy because we use the teaser to go all the way in. Yay! And then do it for both sides. So here you will kind of hold it tight and then see if it opens and closes easily, so that, and you can see I have a little clip to kind of clip the pieces together, and now I'm gonna add some knot on the back. So here you want to tie the knot very tight so that it creates that, security that it will not break. Yep, you see I stretch it many times, and now is to cut the ends of the knots. So cut both ends, but make sure don't cut the knots. Yay, now you have it, the mirror case using Perler bee. I hope to see yours. If you make one, tag me on Instagram. If you like my video, please give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye! Thank you so much for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, like, comment, and share. Thank you!